Aruba is much more than a Caribbean paradise. Our world-class beaches, always perfect weather, and welcoming culture are only a part of what makes Aruba so special. Spend just a few moments on Aruba's shores and you'll feel it. An overwhelming sense of happiness and peace that fills you up. And here's the best part. This feeling stays with you after you leave, sending you off with a happy afterglow that never fades. That's the Aruba effect. Next stop, One Happy Island. There are many reasons why so many travelers return to Aruba year after year. Here are just a few of the things that make our One Happy Island unlike any other destination. Easy, Aruba has convenient and direct flights from major US and Canadian cities. Convenient, we speak 4 languages and have more sunny days than any other Caribbean island. Discoverable, we're small, safe, and modern, so you can make our entire Aruba island your playground. Aruba is also accessible by a cruise. They have what's called the ABC Island Cruise. It's Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. So you can taste the flavors of all 3 islands on the ABC Cruise beachfront resorts from to a one-of-a-kind boutique hotel. Aruba's accommodations offer a variety of experiences that will leave you feeling relaxed, refreshed, and ready for the beach. What's our secret? Aruban hospitality. No matter where you stay, you'll feel the warmth of the island from everyone you meet. And it's this welcomeness that keeps people coming back for years and years. So whether you're a family of 4 looking for fun in the sun or a couple in need of some romantic time together, Aruba has a place that you won't soon forget. People ask me, is Aruba good for all-inclusive resorts? Aruba is home to the best all-inclusive resorts of the Caribbean. An Aruba all-inclusive vacation makes your visit easy to plan and budget. Get yourself some quality time with the people you love while enjoying world-class dining, nightlife, and activities at the resort. So what are you waiting for? A visit to Aruba is calling your name now.